Hey guys, Connor Brown down here at Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. Today I just want to take a minute of your time to go over this 2011 F-150. This particular F-150 is the color of blue flame metallic. And guys, this F-150 right here also has a 5-liter V8 and it is a 4x4 equipped. But a couple things that I wanted to highlight on this particular model, guys. If you're looking to buy a pre-owned truck and put some money into it for a lift kit, big tires and rims, as far as that, this thing's already got it. This vehicle also only has 60,000 miles, and that being a 2011, it's been driven well under the national average. And as you can see the tread on those tires, and you can still see the paint where they're brand new. You also have your fender flares up here. Like I said, we already talked about the aggressive tires. And then you have mud flaps too. When you want to kick it nasty, keep your vehicle from getting super dirty. And you also have it equipped with a plastic bed liner in there. And you also have a tow package back here, guys, and rear backup sensors. But like I said, guys, actually real quick, I do want to show you before we end this video what the inside looks like. So you have plenty of room back here in the back. The seat is folded up and it does also fold down. And back here you have your rear charging ports and stuff like that. But then up here, just so you guys can see the interior of the vehicle, sharp, pretty clean. Just a 2011 F-150, 60,000 miles, and I'd hate for you guys to miss on this great value of a vehicle, especially if you're not looking to put the extra, $2,000, $2,500 to upgrade the vehicle with the lift kit, tires, so on and so forth like that. But like I said, guys, my name is Connor Brown at Heritage Ford. We have a ton of quality vehicles on our lot, new and pre-owned, so if you guys want to stop by and sit down with me to figure out which one's perfect for you, I'd love to help you. Thanks.